Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Black Swan. Let's begin. Priming my eyes with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Outlining the black feather with the About Face Eye Matte Paint in Capulet. To get it somewhat 90% accurate, I used a picture reference from Pinterest. And I also referenced Michelle Phan's makeup tutorial on Black Swan. Going over the Capulet outline with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Art of Darkness, leave a gap so that way the silver shade will show more opaque. Filling the gaps with About Face Factual Paint in Glitch. Brightening the gaps with About Face Factual Paint in Refract. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Naked Lashes in 421 along with my Duo Lash Glue. Priming my face with e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Making my face a bit pale with About Face Eye Matte Paint in White Noise. For concealer, I'll be using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer in Vanilla. Setting my face and neck with one size with translucent loose setting powder. Mixing in my contour with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Hidden Garden. For contour, I'll be using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer in Mocha. Lining my lips with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Art of Darkness. For lipstick, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Infinite Best. Painting my hands with About Face Eye Matte Paint in Art of Darkness and Fractal Paint in Refract. For more outfit information and details, there will be an Amazon storefront linked below in my description box. I got the corset from Amazon, I got the tutu from Amazon, and for flats, I got them from Ross. I highly suggest wearing biker shorts with pockets underneath. For the crown, I got them from Amazon as well. And that's it for the Halloween look. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.